Everybody, as you could probably tell by my voice, I'm not feeling too good, so that's why there hasn't been any videos. I've just completed the paintwork on the Ferrari. I thought I'd give you a look round, so here we go. Every panel has been wet flatted. I've had to revert down to 2,500 followed by 3,000 and then a 3-stage polish to bring it back up. But probably spent at least 2 more days than really was expected of me, but couldn't let it go out without making it look reasonable. Never going to be perfect, too many defects in the paint, but I've flatted a lot of them out. But even if I say so myself, it does look like it's improved the car no end. I'll put a load of pictures up as well, and you'll be able to see the sort of defects that I've been having to work with. But fortunately there was plenty of paint to be able to flat it, to get the majority of them out. It does look like a different car than the one that arrived, and pretty pleased. I'll have a walk round outside when we get it out, but I'm not going to move it tonight. Just not in the mood to do anything else, to be honest, except go to bed. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.